Hey guys, what's happening? How to add someone as an admin to your LinkedIn company page. So first of all, what you need to do, click me at the top, right? And under manage, you can see, of course, your companies, etc. Right? Select the company like in the screenshot, and afterwards you're gonna see your company page, right? Next, what you're gonna do, just go ahead to your settings at the bottom left, right? Like I'm pointing out in the screen, and then you're gonna see your settings. Go ahead and hit manage admins. In the manage admins, you're gonna see all of your members of the company, and you can remove them, you can edit or change their position, or in this case, we're gonna add someone as an admin. So we're gonna hit the blue button to add someone as an admin, and of course we're gonna enter their credentials, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.